Welcome to this charming and thoughtfully designed townhouse-style residence, offering the perfect balance of elegance, comfort, and efficient use of space in one of Manhattan's most desirable neighborhoods. Step inside and experience a spacious main living area that feels open and airy, highlighted by high ceilings and a generous floor plan that allows you to furnish and relax with ease. The beautifully appointed kitchen features sleek stainless steel appliances, including a full-sized refrigerator, and offers excellent counter and storage space, ideal for everyday cooking and entertaining. With 3 well-sized bedrooms, each boasting beautiful wood-tone flooring, comfort and privacy are built into every corner of this home. Reach out today to learn how to make this beautiful residence your new home in Manhattan.